ways can we do to get patients to be able to share their data on an ongoing cloud-based basis, and what can that do to help move us closer to a cure?
Well, I think, partnership's clearly important. I mean, from the academic collaborations to the foundation relationships, to industry interacting with patients and being able to find the right tools to convey this information. So, we live in an applications age, right? So all of you in your pocket are carrying the best tool to communicate your daily activities and what you're experiencing with a repository of that information, which can ultimately put it in the right hands for analysis. And when that happens, we may find really unique things that patients who are on one regimen or another, who happen to spend more time exercising, more time eating high protein diets, these will all impact outcome. But I just think that we're at a very, very important crossroads. The intersection between the information community and the biotechnology community is stronger than it's ever been. And since we know myeloma very well, I think this is a great proving ground where we can take some of these efforts to that next step. And it's one of the reasons why, for example, Celgene has played an important role in creating this company, Human Longevity, which is a genomics and cell therapy business aimed at improving human performance as we age. But also, because aging is and longevity is the objective, how do you extend lifespan? By eradicating causes of premature death, such as myeloma.
We speak at MMRF about the importance of a patient getting their tissue banked. And that is like one of the most critical empowerments that a patient can have, especially at early diagnosis. Because as you know, as you move through the disease, different things change. And that's one of the things that, as a patient, it's very important for them to understand in managing their treatments.
When I was invited into the study, it was very clear to me that that this had tremendous power if it was coupled with the burgeoning science in terms of being understand what the heterogeneity of the disease is. And so I'm at the point where anything I can do personally to advance that, I want to do.
The Cancer Support Community has a cancer experience registry, and this is the first of its kind. It's kind of like a tumor registry, but it's about the cancer experience, in which we're trying to capture what life is like while you're living with cancer. And we do have a sub-registry for multiple myeloma. Encourage you all to participate, and you can join the registry, complete a series of questions over time that really share your voice about your experience. And we're getting ready to add a caregiver registry early next year to capture that caregiver experience. And so what's fascinating within multiple myeloma, we have about 600 patients now who've shared their story of they answer close to 80 questions. We give them information and ask key questions along the year. So it isn't just, and it's a two-way street, and you could click on a question and it would say, would you like to see how other people have answered this question? And you can do that. So we're collecting this repository of the voice of the patient and soon the caregiver, so that we can track it and track the change over time. Do we make progress year to year in helping patients and families with these issues?